Good morning. Welcome to our daily speed sounds lesson. The sound of the day is I. I. And our picture today is a family who have gone to the park on a windy day and they're flying their kites high up in the sky. And they're saying, "Fly high." I fly high. I fly high. Let's say some words with the sound I in it. I'll say it in Fred Talk. You repeat back in Fred Talk and say the word. Are you ready? I. Night. Right. Bright. So when we see the picture side of the card, we say, I fly high. And when we see the letter side, we say, I. I. 3 letters, 1 sound. These 3 letters are special friends. I fly high. I. Fantastic. And if we look at our simple speed sounds chart, I'll hold that closer, you can see here we have our I sound. Okay, I'm going to flip the card and you're going to give me I fly high or I. Are you ready? So I'm going to hide our new I sound in some of the old sounds we've already done together. And you're going to show me the sounds, say the sounds, and when you spot the I sound, point. Are you ready? Yesterday, E. I. Well done. Let's do that again. Ready? I. Well done. And last time, ready, go. I. Super. Now we're going to read the new I sound in our green word cards. Here we go. So remember, first of all, we look for special friends. Fred Talk, say the word. Let's do it together. Special friends. I. Fred Talk. Night. Say the word. Night. Fantastic. Your turn. Special friends. Fred Talk, say the word. Hi. Special friends. Fred Talk, say the word. Might. Special friends, Fred Talk, say the word. Fright. Special friends, say the word. Fred Talk, say the word. Bright. Special friends, Fred Talk, say the word. Light. Super. Now let's look at some words that you've read before, this time without the dots and dashes. Okay, same as before. Special friends, Fred Talk, say the word. Special friends? Yesterday's sound, E, well spotted. Fred Talk, say the word. Sleep. Special friends? Fred talk, say the word. Way. Special friends? Fred talk, say the word. Play. Special friends? Fred talk, say the word. Wink. Special friends? Fred talk, say the word. No special friends. Strop. Special friends? Fred talk, say the word. Green. Okay, let's do that again. Well done. This time with Fred in your head. Special friends, Fred in your head, secret Fred language. And then say the word when I push it forward. Should you do one together? Sleep. Your turn. Play. Wink. Strop. Green. Sleep. Okay, this time even faster. Are you ready? Special friends, Fred talk. And then when I push the word out, you're going to say the word. Are you ready? Sleep. Way. Play. Wink. Strop. Green. Super speedy reading. Now let's get out some of our nonsense words. This is where we use our alien language. Spot the special friends. Fred talk, say the word. Special friends? It's our new special friend, I. Fred talk, I. Say the word, Kai. Fantastic. On your own this time. Special friends? Fred talk, say the word. Prite. Special friends? Fred talk, say the word. Dite. Special friend? Fred talk, say the word. Tay. Special friend? Fred talk, say the word. Steen. Back to the beginning. Excellent alien words. What a load of nonsense. Let's have a go at writing some words with our new sound, I. Okay, first word. Night. Night. How many sounds can you hear in night? Get your Fred fingers ready. Show me your Fred fingers. Fantastic. Let's pinch the fingers. N-I-T. Night. Great. This point, I want you to get out your home learning books if you're at home, or your Read Write Ink books if you're at school. You need a pencil. Night. N-I-T. Night. Get that down on paper. Pause the video here if you need. Okay, you ready? So shout out the first sound. I. Remember our new sound today. I. Special friends. T. Night. Tick or fix. I. T. Fantastic. Let's do another. Bright. Bright. Get your Fred fingers ready. Count the sounds. Show me. How many Fred fingers? Fantastic. 4. Let's pinch. B, r, I, t. Bright. Get your pencils out. Write that down. B, r, I, t. Bright. Pause the video here if you need to. Okay, let's have a go at spelling it. Bright. First sound. B. R. I. Remember our new sound? I. T. Bright. Tick or fix? B. R. I. Let's finish up with a review word. How about using yesterday's sound? Green. Green. How many sounds can you hear in green? Show me your Fred fingers. How many have you got? Great. Let's pinch them. G-r-e-n. Green. Write it down. Can pause here if you need to. Okay, what's the first sound you can hear? G. R. E. Special friend from yesterday. N. Green. Tick or fix? G. R. E. N. Green. Great job. See you tomorrow.